Get out of my sight!
Rico Rodriguez delivers.
Don't tell me you found a hickory chip supplier.
We hit the jackpot, Sheldon. The Russian, Zhang Sun, and our Japanese ex-general, they're all holed up in the Three Kings Hotel. And the best bit is, not one of them has any idea the others are there too.
The Three Kings, huh? I should have known. Hotel's got the best damn bar on Panau, and waitresses to match.
All the better for me to check in then.
Better book a twin, buddy. I'm coming too. About time I saw some action, Hyundai. Can't let you have all the fun. There she is, the Three Kings. King can't be with us on this one. She'll be in conference with headquarters for a while, explaining what's been going on here.
Okay, you take care of this Zhang character and I'll try to locate the Rusky. Get to it!
What is this? Yeah, of the stupid American dog? I saw you coming a mile away, Agency Minion. Now, the true power of Chinese fireworks will be revealed. Ha ha ha!
Reporting hostiles in a sector. All units intercept.
Enough of your feeble attempts at my life. You lose space with every move. Funny that, huh? We Chinese knew about it.
Knew about what?
And the Russians knew. And even the Japanese. But you Americans, you were in the dark.
I got a positive on the Russian, buddy. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah, since you're not the one being shot at.
Now comes Hollywood to stake the claim! Too late, Buffalo Bill! Send me my tank! Now! Taste the wrath of Mother Russia!
Good going, amigo. Now get your ass over here. Your stop, buddy. Good luck. I've got your back, Kimasabi. I'll be right behind you in the chopper. Here comes the cavalry.
I spit on your weakness! You may have beaten me, but not my homeland!
Yeehaw! Here comes freedom, baby!
Sheldon, I didn't know you still had it in you.
Rico, buddy, I'm as American as apple pie. And you know all real Americans hate commies. Our Japanese friend is still in his suite, preparing something nasty for us, no doubt. Get in there and take care of it.
Reports of violence in the sector. Respond to site immediately.
Finally you come! I thank you, Army Boy, for defeating my Chinese and Russian competitors! And also for allowing me a chance to test my impressive battery of satellite-controlled missiles! Who knew?
Reporting hostiles in the sector. All units intercept.
I die. But you are none the wiser. The world's eyes turn towards Panau, but you remain in the dark. Indeed, America is now a blind monster, fighting without knowing why.
Get back here, Rico. I fixed you up a mean margarita. All three superpower heavies eliminated, and still time for a beautiful margarita. I'm betting whatever brought those boys Panau way is the same thing that's made Baby Panay tear up his contract with Uncle Sam.
Figures. What now?
It's time for the big squeeze, Rico. You need them factions thinking you're their brother, while you take them apart from the inside. More trouble there is, the more likely that Baby's gonna show his hand. And that's when we break it off.
Okay. Time to cause enough chaos to smoke baby out of hiding.
I wish everything would go back to normal.
Things are heating up, Hand-Eye. Your chaotic handiwork is paid off. So let's go find that pesky creep Baby Panay and have this thing over with. Get here double... Ready and...